It's official. Governor Gavin Newsom is the second governor of California to survive a recall election. The results showed a majority of Californians supported his decision during the coronavirus pandemic. Newsom spoke to voters within an hour of polls closing. He advised them to move past the no of the night.
I want to focus on what we said yes to as a state. We said yes to science. We said yes to vaccines. We said yes to ending this pandemic.
Republican Larry Elder was the top vote getter for possible replacement if the recall would have succeeded. Elder advised his supporters to be gracious in defeat.
We may have lost the battle, but we are going to win the war.
But Newsom could face Elder again in the not-too-distant future. The governor is up for re-election next year. This is Susana Serrano reporting for CTTV.